Dear learners, today we will learn about changing color of drawing window in AutoCAD. Firstly, we will right click here on drawing window. From here we will select options. From here in display bar, we will select colors under display file tabs. Here we will select color from black background to white background and we'll apply here and then OK. So now the color of drawing window has changed to white. We can do the same way for black color. We can go into colors and we can have black background. Apply and OK. Post more queries so I will make more videos on it.